In this video, we'll explore the animation feature in Assemblr EDU. With this feature, you can create object animations using motion presets or build your own animations from scratch. If you'd like to create animations manually, start by enabling Start Recording. While recording is active, every change you make to an object is captured as part of the animation. Before we begin animating, let's take a quick look around the workspace. The animation panel includes everything you need to create and manage animations. Here you'll find Start Recording for manual animation, a collection of ready-to-use motion presets, the Live Preview area, the Object Animations list, and Compiled Animations, where your finished animations are stored. At the bottom of the workspace is the Timeline, which is the main area for building your animation. It displays the animated objects, the animation duration, and the sequence of movements over time. At the top of the Animation Workspace, you'll find several controls that you'll use throughout the animation process. The Play button previews your animation, while Stop lets you end the preview at any time. Next to those controls is the Record button. Once recording is enabled, every transformation you make to an object is automatically captured on the timeline. After recording is turned on, you can begin adding keyframes. Each keyframe stores the state of an object at a specific point in time, making it the foundation of manual animation. To speed up your workflow, you don't need to recreate every keyframe manually. Simply select the keyframe you want to duplicate, click the copy icon, move the playhead to the desired position, and click the paste icon. You can also use the keyboard shortcuts Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+C and Command+V on Mac OS to copy and paste keyframes more quickly. Next, use duration to set the overall length of your animation. A longer duration gives you more time to create and arrange your animation sequence. To make editing easier, use Zoom Out and Zoom In to adjust the timeline view. Zoom out to see the entire animation, or zoom in for more detailed and precise editing. For even more accurate timing, turn on Snap. When Snap is enabled, keyframes automatically align with the playhead or nearby keyframes, making it easier to organize your animation without gaps while keeping everything synchronized. In addition to manual animation, Assemblr EDU also includes a variety of ready-to-use motion presets. These presets help you create animations quickly without placing each keyframe yourself. Before applying an animation to your object, use Live Preview to see the result instantly. Once your animation is complete, compile animation to save it. Compiled animations are stored in the Compiled Animations panel, where they can be reused later or triggered through visual coding. Now you're familiar with the Animation Workspace in Assemblr EDU. In the next video, we'll explore motion presets